Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about how to write a winning Facebook ad copy that converts. Meanwhile, my name is James Dayo. In case you are just meeting me, if you are meeting this channel for the first time, do well to subscribe and then share, turn on the notification button so that you can always get notification anytime I post valuable video like this one you're about to watch. So before I get into the writing the Facebook ad copy, let me show you what I really mean. Now, a lot of persons, they do think that a Facebook ad copy, maybe an ad copy is the sales page. So this is what I'm talking about. You see, this is the sponsor ad. So this copy here, what is written here is what I'm about to discuss with you in this particular video. The content that is being written here, that is the Facebook ad copy, is quite different from sales page. Let's click this and see if it will load. My network is bad. It's different from sales page when you click a link like this and then you get to the website page. It's different from a sales page and different from something like this. Now this is different. This is just description. This is a sales page, I think so. So it's different from something of this nature. So in this video, I'm going to talk about how to write this particular one. So let's get started. This particular training will work for you if you are into e-commerce, even if you are an affiliate marketer, if you are a course creator, a vendor, estate agent, or maybe Facebook media buyer just like me. And if there are so many things that you want to use Facebook to market your product, this particular training is going to work for you. So you don't have to say, I'm not this, I'm not that. Even if you want to employ somebody to do it for you, it's better you know how it is being done so that if the person makes a mistake, you can always draw the attention of the person. So let's move in. So first off, Facebook ad copy is not a sales copy. Like I get into the Facebook account, I showed you the one I'm talking about and not the sales copy. These are just the difference I wanted to take note. So the sales copy or video sales letter, maybe like a webinar, it should be on your website, not on your ad, not on your campaign. That should be on your website. Sales copy is on the website, but ad copy is what we are talking about here, the one you will use in writing or in advertising. So work of a sales copy, the one on your website, is to educate and inform the potential buyers of the benefit of the product. They sell the product. Understand this. The work of the sales copy is to inform, then educate those potential buyers about the benefits of the product, and then at the end you sell the product. That is the work of a sales copy. That is the work of a copywriter. That is what a copywriter will help you do. So now, what then is the work of this ad copy, Facebook ad copy? So the goal of a Facebook ad copy is to get the attention of your potential customer on the Facebook platform. The goal of a Facebook ad copy is to get the attention of your potential customer that is from the Facebook platform. And then after that is to hook them to stop, read and take action. The action now could be to click a link or be to comment or fill a form on the Facebook platform. Then again, it also agitates their pains, which your product will help them solve. Then state the benefits. Okay, so that is the work of the ad copy, and there are many other things. These are the major work of the Facebook ad copy. So if your ad copy does not do these things, it therefore means you are on the wrong path, and there is always a consequence of being on the wrong path. So let's proceed. So here are the three methods of writing a winning Facebook ad copy. I'm going to share with you three methods of doing this. There are thousands of methods, but I'm going to share with you three methods for the sake of time. So one, question-based method. Number one, question-based method. How does it work? So the question-based method, this is how it works. It is a method where you ask question, then present your offer, then include call to action. That's the meaning of this CTA. Include call to action. You ask a question, present your offer, then include call to action. So let's look at an example. You can say, who else wants to discover how to write a winning Facebook ad copy that brings sales in 2024? Now this is a question. That doesn't mean when I'm just writing this question so that you know that this particular one is a question, then this is the offer, then there is the call to action. So it doesn't mean that when I'm running this advert, I will now go and be writing offer like this. No. So I will just go on with this question. Who else wants to? You can ask any question you want to add, but the question should be able to capture the benefit, or maybe the most important thing that has to do with the ad. Don't just go and ask question that is not related. Ask related question to your offer. Then present your offer. So I just recorded a free 17 minutes video that shows the step-by-step process I and my students are using to write a main like what are bringing massive segments. This method, then at the end of it, I say kindly click the learn more button for details on how to get it. Now the learn more button is where we now put my website link or my sign up page link. It could be even if I'm running to a Telegram, maybe a WhatsApp, you just have to insert my link there so that they can click and get to me. So that is majorly how that particular method work. Now if you go back to the one I showed you earlier on the Facebook platform, you will also see that here is using a kind of question based method. You can ask question, but let the question be related to what you are promoting. So the next one is educate, pitch, then call to action. Now this is a kind of a method where you need to provide value ahead. You provide value, and this one will help you build authority. Then you now pitch, you now try to sell, you now try to tell them about what you are offering. Then you include your call to action. So here is it. Here how it works. The first thing you need to educate. Now I say provide value. Now while you are educating people, this is where you are providing value. You are providing value to your potential buyer. Maybe you are running for a lead, to your potential lead. You just provide value ahead, then pitch your offer. Let the value you provide get related to the offer you want to pitch, then include your call to action. So it's basically a three-step kind of. So here is an example. So let's say I say 3 important Facebook metrics you should always check by advertising. 3 important Facebook metrics you always check by advertising. Now look at it. I said 3, and I will now mention the first one, mention the second one, mention the third one. So after mentioning the three important metrics, I will mention and explain them one after the other. Then I will now go on and say I will now go on and transition to pitch by using PostScript. Now look at this is what I mean. I will now say PS. I just created a new video that will show you how to write Facebook ad copy that converts. Now you see, I now after mentioning my 3 important things, after educating, this a matter of providing value. You can provide value in any, can use anything to provide value. Teach them something, tell them something, but it should be short. Don't go and be teaching something that is very long. To me, I think ad copy should not be more than 300 or 500 words. Don't go and write everything that, because what you just need is you just need attention of the people to click on your ad and then get to your landing page and then maybe fill a form or do something. So you don't need to write all thousands of words here. So what you need to just do is, when you are done with providing your value, you just go ahead and say, I just created a new video. Yeah, I just write PS. You have been seeing this thing. Just write PS. I just created a new video. Then call to action. This is the call to action. I just say click the learn more button to get the video. So that is the example of it. That is second one. So it's very simple, very straightforward. So what you need to just do is educate, then transition, then pitch, then this transitioning. You know, most of the time you might not have a way to connect those things. So you just go by PostScript. You just use this PostScript. This PS now means PostScript. So you just go by this PostScript. I just created this and this and that. Then you put your call to action. Make it simple. It doesn't have to be complicated. Okay. So the third one is the one I said. Mention audience are using, then insert element to get the mentioned benefit. This is what I mean. This is what I mean here. You will mention your audience name. Let's say Facebook advertiser. You mention their name. Then you said they are using. You said what they are using. This thing should be in a curiosity element. Yeah, it's a curiosity element. I would know what you see when I get to the next one. Then you mention benefits. So let's see how it works. You call out your audience with a curiosity and benefit. Then briefly state your offer. Call to action. Just the same. Just 3 steps. So here is the example. Facebook advertisers are using secret template to write ad copy that bring massive sales. Now, this secret template now is a kind of curiosity. What kind of secret template is that? I want to know. Now, the massive sales here is the benefit of using this particular thing. So, who are these people? They are Facebook advertisers. So, I color the audience, then bring in this curiosity words here so that they will want to know. So, they want to know. I will now go on and then talk about it. Then, at the end of it, I will now say call to action. So this example, this is another example. Affiliate marketers are using this new method to get to generate high converting massive leads daily. You see, so I just mentioned affiliate marketer here. So this new method of generating high massive lead is the curiosity and the benefit. So you use this, use your PAs. Go ahead and then this is the last example. Nigeria e-com marketers are using this high converting ad creative strategy to get massive order. So you can see, you just call out the audience name. The way you call out the audience name, you insert a curiosity this thing element. This is a curiosity element. Insert a curiosity element, then mention the benefit. So that is the third one. It's very simple. You can see the examples I give out here. They are very simple. So these are just 3 methods of writing this. This is not all the method in the world. There are thousands of other methods. But I just point out this thing because I feel it is simple. Now, if we get to our Facebook, so if you get to your Facebook timeline, just pay attention to the advert you are seeing. You see other methods, thousands of them that you can always mode there to get what you want. So just try, don't limit yourself over these ones. These ones are productive, these ones are bringing results, but you should always look at what other people are doing.